Rentals Club members, Thibaut here. So Airbnb has created a brand new tool for you to create pricing discount and get them noticed. So I'm in my calendar here on the hosting side of Airbnb. You can see on the right-hand side, you have this new little banner, promote your listing, a new way to get noticed. If I click on it, basically here you will see a description of what it does. So not only does it give you the chance to create a discount, a pricing discount for some dates, but also Airbnb will give you in return more visibility for your listing, right? They will help people who are on the website notice that you are giving away some money, that you have created a discount. We know it actually is very, very important, right? Because imagine if you just lower your price, people have no clue that you're making this effort, right? But if suddenly, let's say, they're shown the price before and after, they can measure, that how deep you've discounted. They can see the effort, and obviously, it's more convincing that to them that they are making there's a good deal in front of their eyes. So that's what Airbnb is doing. Let me create a first promotion here. So I'll pick some dates, imagine here, these dates. And you will see here at the top that there is a slider. And with this slider, I can change my discount, let's say between 10 and here 25%. And look at the bottom here. Depending on how big the discount is, I will be getting more perks. So what the perks are, basically things I'm getting in return from Airbnb for giving a discount. The bigger the discount, the more the perks. So perks range from a new line item in the price breakdown, strike-through styling on search pages and listing, a special call-out on your listing page, and placement in emails. What's neat, actually, if you click here, Airbnb shows you what it's about, right? For example, the strike-through styling, it means that when people see your search for a property in your area, they will see your property with this price like this, strike-through. So it's stricken through. So it's way more convincing, or at least attractive. What you get as well is that in a booking recap, when people are booking, where there's a price breakdown, for example, listing your weekly discount or your a cleaning fee, there's a new line item appearing, mentioning that there is a special offer. Another thing is that on your page, there will be this little label with the text telling you that it's a good deal. Last thing, if you discount a lot, they will also include your property in the emails they're sending. So that's what's here on the left. What's interesting as well is that it's all stacking up, right? If you give just a discount that's not too, let me rephrase it. If you give a discount from 1 to 25%, basically every types of discount, you get the base stuff, which is like the new item in the price breakdown, as we saw, right? This thing, like they will know there's a special offer. If you give more, you get this, and you get this strike-through styling thing, like this. If you give more, so let's say at least 15%, up to 25%, there's a message saying that's a good deal, this thing. And if you give more, so let's say at least 20% off, you get a spot in their emails, like this. So Airbnb is helping you see what you're getting, the perks you're getting. The more you're giving away, the more perks you have. So I think it's a pretty smart way for them to convince you to do this. I also think it's pretty smart, right? Once again, right? If you give a discount to someone and they just have no clue what the price was before, how can they know it was a discount, right? So in terms of persuasion, it's very important. Now, I'm not saying you should increase your price and then give a discount, but think about different tactics you should have, right? If you think this is working. Let me show you how it works. If I apply the promotion, they would tell me this message that I'm going to get noticed. What's very important as well is that here they say that the prices for promotion dates will be locked while the promotion is running. What does it mean? It means that if, for example, behind the scenes, I have Airbnb's smart pricing running, so a dynamic pricing tool, it would not be working. which actually is fine because it gives me more control. I don't want for some reason Airbnb's pricing to drop the price by a lot, and at the same time I would have a promotion running on top of that. That would be disaster. So I get it. So you can see promotion is here. I see 20% off. You can see here that the smart pricing symbol is not here, so it's been deactivated. What's easy as well is to delete the promotion. What you may want to do is my also big tip, always click here on the open price calculator. The price calculator enables you to see what the guests will see, what price they will have. So for example, let's imagine somebody's booking for these dates. Boom, boom. Right. They show me the price, the total price. This shows to me that from during these nights, there's 22% off for these nights. No, not all the 18 nights, right? Remember, I picked a promotion and discount for 3 nights. They say for these 3 nights, there's 22% going booked off. It must be booked within 4 days, 25 days, or soon. So this way, again, I feel good that I understand that the promotion I created is not for all the nights, even there. And imagine if there was on top of that, a weekly rental, I would see it here. So I always use this just to understand what would be the impact on your revenues. So I'm going to delete the promotion here. Last thing, you may have noticed there was another kind of promotion, which is this one, Fill Your Calendar. Fill Your Calendar is actually something way more simple in a way, in the sense that you don't pick much, right? They tell you what they recommend you to do. 10% off for 2 nights. So you have less control, but they also give you clearly here, in this case, these 4 perks. So it's very easy in a way to act on, to implement. Again, I think that it makes sense for you. Again, I would apply the promotion. Got it, delete, and you can delete. See what happens. And here we go. So think for yourself whether it makes sense. Be very careful again that promotions may stack up, right? If you have a weekly discount plus this promotion, you could be discounting by a lot. So you want to be careful. 1, 2, you want to use the price calculator to see what's going to be happening. Change some dates, play around with the dates to see the impact, and then see how it works for you. Should you increase your price and lower it in promotions? We will see a strike-through price. Does it work for you? Are you getting more noticed? That's something you need to try out. But I think it's a pretty neat tool that's at least very easy to understand and use.